Are you constantly feeling tired and drained? The culprit could be low testosterone. Don't worry, you're not alone. Struggling to achieve those gains? Building muscle can be a challenge, but fear not, because we got you covered with some amazing tips and tricks to help you on your fitness journey. One of the most important sex hormones, testosterone, is primarily produced in the testicles. It's essential for a number of processes, including the creation of sperm, the growth of muscles and bones, as well as the regulation of mood and libido. On the other hand, testosterone levels often decrease as one gets older. Alterations in testosterone levels can also be caused by certain medications, diseases, and traumas. There are a number of symptoms associated with low testosterone, including decreased sex drive, decreased sperm count, erectile dysfunction, and increased body fat. It's also possible to have melancholy, bone loss, and insomnia. What should you avoid? Well, avoid excessive eating. In the likelihood, this is the single most essential thing that a guy can accomplish. In the presence of an increase in abdominal fat, the activity of the enzyme known as aromatase rises. This enzyme is responsible for converting testosterone in the fat cells into estrogen. This result is a decrease in testosterone and an increase in estrogen, which can lead to an increase in fat disposition in areas that are typically associated with women, such as the breast, hips, and thighs, as well as an increase in the risk of prostate enlargement and even prostate cancer. A decrease of 1 point in your body mass index, BMI, will result in an increase of about 1 point in your testosterone level. It's possible that the control of obesity can prevent the decline of total testosterone in a male population as they age. Put an end to diabetes. There is a correlation between the development of diabetes and an increased probability of having a total testosterone level that is lower than what is considered to be normal. People who have diabetes have a risk of acquiring abnormally low testosterone levels that more than double over the course of 10 years. The risk is increased by more than 40%. Do not use tobacco. Because of tobacco use, testosterone levels are decreased. Refrain from drinking beer. Increasing the amount of alcohol consumed to more than 2 drinks each day speeds up the process by which testosterone is converted into estrogen. Steer clear of opioid painkillers. A drop in testosterone is caused by morphine and other opioids. While a person is receiving treatment with opioid drugs, this can continue for a period of time ranging from months to years. It's possible for levels to reduce as fast as a few hours after beginning opiate treatment. It would appear that the danger of low testosterone concentration increases in proportion to the amount of opioids that are taken. To our good fortune, this adverse effect ought to be reversible after the pain medicine is finished being administered. Do not, of course, abruptly stop taking pain medication or switch to a different medicine without first checking with the person who prescribed it. Avoid overstress. Indicators of stress levels in the blood include the level of the hormone cortisol. An increase in fat disposition can be caused by this steroid hormone, which in turn leads to an increase in the conversion of testosterone to estrogen. Avoid plastic, use glass. Take caution in the containers that you use to store your leftovers. The chemical known as bisphenol A, BPA, can be found in a variety of plastics, cans, and other types of food packaging. The process of hormone production can be disrupted as a result. After 6 months, testosterone levels were lower in males who worked around BPA on a daily basis compared to individuals who did not work around BPA. What should you do more of? Spice up your meals. In the kitchen, as much as in the bedroom, onions and garlics are your constant companions. As a result, you might be able to produce more and better sperm. The amounts of a hormone that causes your body to produce testosterone are increased by both of these causes. In addition, both contain significant concentrations of flavonoids, which are naturally occurring plant chemicals that have the potential to protect your young swimmers against harm. Protein should be piled on. Among the possibilities available to you are lean cuts of beef, chicken, fish, and eggs. Foods such as tofu, almonds, and seeds also include protein. The best amount for you is going to vary depending on your age, gender, and the amount of physical activity you get, but you should try to obtain about 5 to 6 ounces every day. If you don't consume a sufficient amount of these foods, your body's going to produce more of a substance that binds with testosterone, which will result in a lower amount of testosterone that is available to perform its function. Consume fish. The fish that are high in fat, such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are rich in vitamin D and are therefore good suppliers of this nutrient. This is due to the fact that it functions as a natural testosterone booster due to the fact that it plays a vital role in production of hormones. Enhanced magnesium content. This mineral is responsible for preventing a protein from forming a bond with testosterone due to its presence. In the end, what is the outcome? To add insult to injury, there is additional man stuff floating around in your bloodstream that can be helpful. Spinach contains a plentiful amount of magnesium in its composition. This nutrient can also be found in the abundance in almonds, cashews, and peanuts, among other fantastic sources. Aim for oysters. There's a particular explanation that can be ascribed to the fact that these mollusks are thought to be advantageous to fertility. Additionally, they contain approximately 5 times the amount of zinc that is recommended for ingestion on a daily basis. The production of testosterone in your body is made possible by the presence of this mineral. There's also the possibility of having it with meat and beans in addition to that. Additionally, it's typically included in cereals that are consumed for morning. Zinc has the added benefit of enhancing the function of your immune system. Opt for the pomegranate. Rather than beginning your day with orange juice, you might want to try beginning it with the juice of this ancient seedy fruit. This is accomplished by reducing the amount of stress hormones such as cortisol, which in turn contributes to the increase in levels of sex hormones such as testosterone during the process. Furthermore, it has the ability to lower your blood pressure and boost your mood, both of which are very positive outcomes. Go on a diet. Your weight may be kept under control, and you can protect yourself from insulin resistance, which is associated with decreased T levels, by following a diet that is modeled after the Mediterranean diet. Additionally, when your testosterone levels are low, your fat levels increase, which might cause your body to not use insulin as well as it could. There's a way to break this cycle. Eliminate saturated fats from your diet and replace them with healthier fats like olive oil, avocado, and almonds. Pick lean cuts of meat and grains that are whole. Consume a plethora of fruits and vegetables. Exercise. The synthesis of testosterone has been reported to be increased through the combination of aerobic training, which involves increasing the heart rate, and resistance training, which involves lifting weights. Heart disease and cancer are 2 diseases that are most likely to cause death in males, and this helps avoid both of those diseases in men. In addition, testosterone insufficiency can be caused by extreme exercise combined with calorie restrictions, as well as the overtraining in endurance sports such as American football and weight class wrestling. Get some rest. The body produces the majority of a person's testosterone while they are in rapid eye movement, REM sleep. REM sleep is characterized by rapid eye movement. During intense slumber, this takes place. A sleep cycle that is disrupted and in which less time is spent in rapid eye movement, REM sleep, has been associated to lower testosterone levels. This is because REM sleep is characterized by fast eye movement. Remember, low testosterone is not just about a sluggish sex drive. Dealing with the symptoms can be quite the challenge. When it comes to tackling low testosterone, some men like to kick things off by embracing healthy lifestyle changes. So why not give it a shot? Don't forget to use these incredible tips and tricks the next time you're on the hunt for a change. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, keep exploring and embracing new possibilities. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.